Welcome back to WTV. Sesiyavala manje, Prof. Before ngihamba, I just want to tell you to address the issue. All right. Of late, I've been getting phone calls. I see ukuthi like normally you as ukuthi kunethwalo ezingene fashion. All right. Apart from fishermen, uyelopho no Mnyamane, base fashion in man. But the big question I always get was, Brakebi, which one should I take? Mnyamane or uyelopho? Mnyamane or uyelopho? And then I don't like comparing it to all because I always say, like, what's your situation? You need that you want. So, just in J, just give people comparisons. Uyelopho. Mnyamane ngani or Mnyamane ushaya yellow ngani, just so that they can get an idea which okay fine which one to go for, because I know it's not easy to do that because some give twelve funny and they serve different purposes. Just in J uguti, all right, when I'm if you're in this situation, yellow bone is good for you, when it's not good for you if you're in this situation. Just in J, picking out the person who's in different situations. When you want this thing or you're in this situation, is yellow bone is for you, when Mnyamane is for you.
Asithi ngiyinyanga kokuqala sanibonani ngisesekhona njengoba shilo lo baba ithini lami le ubhuti ongiphethe nami la kulezi zokuxhumana Brakebi 1 ubachazela ukuthi umnyamane ukabili ngelinye ilanga kunomnyamane we150 kunomnyamane webusiness ongayenzi lutho ofaka imali ebusinessini bazokhona ukuvuleka indlebe say kuneyelo bone okwazi ukwenza imali emsamo ebusinessini kuphi yini uyelo bone sikhuluma ngenyoka. So umnyamane ungacompare if umuntu ufuna inyoka mbona ukuthi umtshele nje straight but mangabe ufuna inyoka wena thatha uyelo bone uwazi ukuthi inyoka izokwenzela lento le oyifunayo yini sithi yellow bone ngoba sisebenzele inyoka yellow. So and then umnyamane imamba emnyama esebenzise yona ekwazi ukustrike ihlangana nesipoko iyapi yongithathela lento engiyifunayo. And then ngifuna uyellow bone unamandla uyakwazi ukuphakamisa endumbeni yomuntu ayifaka imali uyangizwisisa uyakwazi ukufaka ebusinessini ayifaka imali kwenzeka izinto kuze lezi zinto siziyenze zibe ziningi yingoba sifune ukuthi umuntu ozothi mina amandla ami aphelela la angifuni ukuya ngalezi yesayikhuluma lento maybe say address Brakebi sathi angeke usuke ku 10,000 bese uhleka ukwenza 5,000 a day bese ufuna ukwenza 100,000. So that's why lezi zinto zingafani ngamandla siye ukuthi ama levels when talk about levels ungithathe la wangibeka la wasuka la wangibeka la wangisuka la ngaza la uyangana sense khuluma ngama levels welezi zinto lezo ingakho sithi if when level yakho ufuna ukuzibona ula thatha la and abantu i-explanation yesithwalo noma yesiphakamiso noma isiphi nasiphi they must understand one thing. Don't ask anyone. Bheka ivideo njengoba sibheka iTsogo TV and ethanda lento oyithandayo wena kube inhliziyo yakho ngoba lento ukuthi zothi Brakebi ngifuna inyoka athi Brakebi that's why Brakebi anitshela ukuthi guys ningathandi izinto zokuthi nihambe nikhuluma ngaye nani but yena ngaloko azi ngako uyakwazi ukuniphendula but isithwalo asitothatha isithwalo Brakebi kunyaka the boys. Yes uzokusiza uBrakebi ngoba uyawazi ama boys ayasebenza but akube into yomuntu esuka enhlizweni athi uyabona umnyamane prof the way amchaza ngakhona no Brakebi ambuza ngakhona ungiphendula kamnandi ngiyamthanda umnyamane bese ezazothatha umnyamane hayi ukuthi athatha umnyamane athi Brakebi akidisturb hii mosa disturb hii hlala phansi ngoba ukudistepeka kuyokunika lento ukuthi sokusasa yoblame uBrakebi Brakebi kuwena utserkinke yellow bone no yellow bone uthuthu uyayibona njani. So into ezinjalo azifuneki phela mina ngisho Brakebi remember ngisebenza ngedlozi angilishaya idlozi lihambe idlozi liba khona this time you decide ukuthi ngifuna uhlophe the time you decide ukuthi ngifuna ukuphumelela ngalokho ungangabazi thatha lento uyangizwisisa ungathi uma ufika la ngakutshela brakebi ngithi umuntu usuke ekhaya athi ngifuna uhlophe mafika la lo munye athi hayi mina ngilanda umnyamane athi hayi ngisamfuni mina umnyamane sengifuna lento uyangana lento lesisuka itshintsha i-direction yalento ngoba lento lena sewulahle lento abogogo nabomkhulu abahamba nawo ngendlela efanele ezokwazi ukusiza ngayo izinto ama-levels are not the same angeke ngithi uyelo bone akasebenzi or uyelo bone uhlula bani uhlela mangithi levels soyazi.
Okay, siyabonga prof. Alright, ligudwethe he kuntlu. The difference between yellow bone and Mnyamane has to do with our levels no good to enough. The situation here. Prof, thanks for hosting me today.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.